यहाँ पर अभी हम लोग आए हुए थे कैलाश का जो हमारा फेस्टिवल है, तो वहाँ पर ये एक रशिया से आए हुए हैं।
Hello everybody. Привет.
प्रीवियत। तो ये रशियन तो मतलब बात कर रहे थे, तो थोड़ी बहुत हमें भी रशियन आती थी, तो मैंने इनसे थोड़ी बात की। तो ये व्हाट अबाउट दिस कल्चर?
It's very interesting. It's paganism culture. Russia have a paganism culture about 1,000 years ago. It was paganism culture too. Yeah. Before a Christian religion. Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much.
How are you feeling at this one?
We are both are in group.
Oh, group. Yeah.
Group trip. Kailash and Chitral, everywhere in mountains.
How far from to Chitral? You want to go to Chitral mountain?
After this festival, we are going to Chitral.
We are also going to Chitra.
Yeah.
Oh, same program.
We are also from
Same problem.
Because it is the near.
That's good. That's good.
Problem near.
Okay. Нет. Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
You have a YouTube channel?
Back bad video.
Yeah.
I have.
Yeah, okay. ये रास्ता जाता है फेस्टिवल के लिए। ये फेस्टिवल का जो
होता है या नीचे?
ऊपर ही है मेरे ख्याल में। Oh, you like it?
Why did you say, oh, they didn't seem like that?
It's nice. It's nice.
They can't.
I think it is the best place to pray.
You don't know praying.
Say
No.
it.
Praying this one, that side.
Okay.
ये देखिए सिक्योरिटी के भी फेस्टिवल से पहले काफ़ी इंतजाम हैं। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। यहाँ पे फॉरेनर्स भी आते हैं इस फेस्टिवल में। काफ़ी फेमस फेस्टिवल है चाउमास। ये है जो फेस्टिवल की मेन पॉइंट है वो ये। You are from?
Ninkana said no.
Ninkana. How are you? Very nice. यहाँ पे आपको हर कंट्री के मतलब लोग मिल सकते हैं। जैसे हमारे सरदार जी भी आए हुए फ्रॉम ननकाना साहब लाहौर। सब पहले आप लोग वहाँ गए थे या आप रहते यहीं पर हैं?
हम लाहौर के।
अच्छा, लाहौर से ताल्लुक है। अच्छा अच्छा,
आगे भाई आगे पंजाबी आगे
आ गए जी, पंजाबी छा गए जी। जी
बाबा जी सियालकोट।
जबरदस्त।
ना हो जी बाबा जी बगड़ियाँ।
एक और भी हो गई अब तो आगे।
Ammar with double M.
Yeah.
No, but when you are telling Ammar, it is
В общем, такого...
очень красиво.
क्या कह रहे हो? थोड़ा पीछे
यहाँ पर जो कैलाश की जो ये प्रोग्राम होता है इसमें इस फेस्टिवल में पाकिस्तान से तो लोग आते ही हैं, पूरी दुनिया से लोग आते हैं। आप देखिए पीछे पूरा फेस्टिवल है। इस तरह यहाँ पर यूरोप से भी कुछ लोग आए हुए हैं। कैन यू टेल मी प्लीज अबाउट दिस फेस्टिवल, हाउ यू फाइंड and what is your opinion about this festival?
I found like something the best for Pakistan, the good way for promotion of good attitude abroad, because the Pakistan is in the not good public opinion because of foreign interference, and use as much as you can to present your cultural values, because your values are you, and it is very important. People, when I came here, applied for visa first time 7 years ago, in embassy people asked me why you are going to Pakistan, because no one else is going. People are going to Spain, UK, somewhere, and I like to do opposite. And on
find very key.
yes, and on my last day, I met my wife and I get married here, and we have one son.
You also married here?
Also married here, and they are
Which year?
2013.
2013.
We have one
He has
son.
also married here in Pakistan, in this after some town.
Protect yourself. I thank you very much for all doors open in Pakistan. This is unique. In Europe, it's not like this. In Europe, people have 2, 3 pays, 11 pays. They have pays for any case.
Okay.
And it's very difficult to obtain invitation on the first 3 minutes, like this is happening in Pakistan.
Okay.
And I'm very sorry I cannot visit my people in Kuza, my people in Lahore, my people in Multan,
Karachi.
but I hope in near future we will do it. And Pakistan Zindabad.
Thank
That's
you.
wonderful.
So nice of you.
How to find you in YouTube?
Yeah, you do traveling life. Yeah. Obe.
Ich kann ja strong, wie strong, wie.
ये इनके घर वगैरह हैं। यहाँ पर मुख्तलिफ चीज़ें हैं। आओ बस।
Thank you. Yeah.